Have you noticed something? Before cooking, we follow steps. Before going to school, we follow steps. Even before playing a game, we follow steps.
Oh, yes, sir. We always follow steps. But what are these steps called in computer language?
Excellent question. In computer language, they're called algorithms. An algorithm means clear, step-by-step instructions to complete any work.
So computers also need steps like humans?
Exactly right. But here's the key difference. A computer never guesses. It never assumes. It only follows the exact instructions we give it. That's why steps are so important.
Oh. So we have to be super clear with computers?
Absolutely. Let me give you an example. If we want a computer to add to numbers, we cannot just say add the numbers.
Why not, sir?
Because the computer won't understand. So we tell it step by step. First, take the first number. Second, take the second number. Third, add both numbers together. Finally, show the answer. This complete step-by-step plan is called an algorithm.
Oh, I get it. So algorithm equals steps to solve a problem.
Perfect. You've got it. Every step must be clear and in the correct order. So, every app, every game, every program you see starts with an algorithm. Remember this: no steps, no result. That is the power of an algorithm.
Wow! This is amazing, sir. Now I completely understand.
Follow Braynixx for more computer science secrets.